Welcome to SS1 Fine Art. This lesson covers exhibition curation and promotion, how art exhibitions are organized, designed, and communicated to an audience. Understanding exhibition practice connects the skills of making art with the professional world where art is shared, sold, and experienced by the public. An exhibition is a presentation of artworks, paintings, sculptures, photographs, prints, or mixed media works arranged for public viewing in a gallery, museum, school hall, outdoor space, or online platform. Exhibitions serve multiple purposes. They allow artists to share their work with an audience, they provide the public with access to art and ideas, they generate critical discussion and documentation, they enable the sale of artworks, and they contribute to the cultural life of a community. Curation is the process of selecting, organizing, and contextualizing the works in an exhibition. A curator is the person responsible for these decisions. The word curator comes from the Latin cura, meaning care or attention. A curator cares for a collection of artworks and determines how they are presented to the public. In major institutions, curators are highly specialized professionals with expertise in art history, visual culture, and specific artistic traditions. In school and community context, teachers, students, or community organizations serve as curators. The curatorial concept, also called the exhibition theme or concept, is the central idea that unifies the exhibition. It determines which works are selected, how they are grouped and arranged in the space, and what interpretive text is written to help the audience understand the work. Organizing an exhibition follows a systematic process. Stage 1 is concept development. The curator identifies the theme, selects the artist and works to be included, and develops the rationale, a written explanation of what the exhibition explores and why the selected works are appropriate. Stage 2 is venue selection and preparation. The venue must be appropriate for the scale and type of work. Lighting is critical. Artworks are typically lit with focus spotlights or track lighting that illuminates the work without creating glare. Walls are painted white or a neutral color to avoid competing with the artwork. Stage 3 is layout planning. Using a floor plan of the venue, the curator maps out where each work will be installed. Works are grouped thematically or by artist. Sight lines, the views the visitor encounters as they move through the space, are considered. Stage 4 is installation. Works are hung at eye level. Conventionally, the center of the work is at approximately 150 to 160 centimeters from the floor, the average eye level of an adult viewer. Works are spaced to avoid crowding while maintaining a visual relationship between pieces. Labels, also called wall text, are placed beside each work at a consistent height, providing the artist's name, the work's title, medium, date, and dimensions. Stage 5 is the opening. An opening event, also called a private view or vernissage, introduces the exhibition to invited guests, critics, collectors, community members, before or on the first public day. An opening may include a brief talk by the curator or one of the artists. An exhibition must be promoted to attract an audience. The exhibition promotion materials include the press release, a written announcement sent to newspapers, online art publications, and radio and television stations describing the exhibition and providing key information, the poster and flyer, visual announcement materials designed using the principles of graphic design, including the title, dates, venue, contact details, and one or two compelling images from the exhibition, social media content, images and video posted on platforms like Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, and WhatsApp to reach wider audiences, particularly younger people, and the exhibition catalog, a printed or digital document containing reproductions of the artworks, artist biographies, the curatorial essay, and other contextual text. The catalog serves as a permanent record of the exhibition. In Nigeria, major gallery exhibitions are reviewed in publications such as The Guardian's art section and by online arts platforms. Photography of the exhibition opening and the artworks is essential documentation. Documentation photographs should show the installation as a whole, individual artworks, and the audience engaging with the work. Nigeria has a vibrant and growing exhibition scene. In Lagos, galleries including Nike Art Gallery founded by Nike Davis Okonde, Signature Beyond Art Gallery, and Retro Africa Gallery presents contemporary Nigerian and African art to local and international audiences. The Lagos Art Week is an annual event bringing together galleries, artists, collectors, and art professionals across the city. Art House Contemporary is the leading auction house in Nigeria, facilitating the sale of historical and contemporary Nigerian artworks. The National Museum in Lagos and the National Gallery of Art in Abuja are key institutions preserving and exhibiting Nigeria's artistic heritage. Outside Lagos, galleries in Enugu, Port Harcourt, Ibadan, and Abuja contribute to a nationwide exhibition ecosystem. Many Nigerian artists have also built significant international exhibition careers showing their work in galleries and museums in London, New York, Paris, and across Africa. Today we learn that an exhibition is a public presentation of artworks. Curation is the process of selecting, organizing, and contextualizing the works. The curatorial process moves from concept development through venue selection, layout planning, installation, and opening. Works are hung at 150 to 160 cm center height with labels beside each piece. Promotion uses press releases, posters and flyers, social media, and exhibition catalogs. Nigeria has a growing exhibition scene with major galleries in Lagos and art events including Lagos Art Week. For your practical project, plan a mini exhibition using artworks from your class. Write a one-paragraph curatorial concept, design a simple poster, and write a label for each of 5 works.